Here at SuperSteer Henderson's lineup, we've got an exciting new announcement. We've got a brand new, to us, R&D project behind that door there. And we've got a history of doing this kind of thing. Most recently, we've got our 2022 Winnebago Navion, the 2021 Sprinter 3500 chassis that my dad's put a lot of miles on. We've used that to develop our new SuperSteer shocks. We've expanded upgrades on the back, our heat-treated rear sway bar, tested out different front struts on it. We've got some other exciting new products coming for that chassis still. We've also got the F53 chassis. We had our 2016 Tiffin Allegro open road, used that to develop a lot of upgrades for the F53, even going so far back as the 98 Safari Trek P32 chassis, which helped us develop our quad shock, the dual safety plus setup, and just really fine-tune that chassis as well. So we decided it's time for another R&D project, and let's go ahead and reveal what we have. All right, so what did we get? It's a 2016 Forest River Forester built on the Ford E450 Class C chassis. So you may be wondering, why didn't you get something newer, something more flashy, more fancy? Well, we put a lot of thought into this. Also, I myself put a lot of thought into this for me having something to use. You know, first of all, the price is right. These are very affordable rigs, lots of space. So I've got 3 kids now. So my wife and kids and I will have a lot of space. There's actually seating for 8 in this thing. Plenty of sleeping space, good tow capacity. This thing can tow 7,500 pounds. So it'll have no problem towing my Jeep Cherokee behind it. You know, in terms of the way they drive, well, they're not horrible, but they're not great. So it actually gives us a lot of room for improvement, a lot of room to demonstrate what the whole suite of upgrades we have available for these E450s do. So what are we going to do? We're actually going to take you through a whole project of going step by step on this coach. We're going to test out each different improvement, upgrade that we have for it, one video at a time, and show you the improvement before and after so that you can really understand what each piece does. You know, normally when somebody comes into our shop with one of these, and we do get a fair amount of them in the shop, we've actually got one sitting over there right now, they're getting a full package done on it. So, which makes sense from the sake of time, because this is our coach. We've actually got the ability to really drag this out and show what each thing does. And also along the way, I'm hoping to be able to develop some new and improved things for this coach as well, to really even go beyond what we have today. So really excited to introduce this series. Be sure to tune in next week where we are going to test drive this thing for the first time. I still haven't driven this thing other than about, I don't know, maybe 400 feet. Big shout out to Affordable RV. They're just down the road from us, our neighbors actually. They were really great to work with. DJ and the rest of the crew there, they helped me get set up with this. That's as far as I've driven it, just from their business to ours. So later on, we're going to be taking this for its first test drive. We're going to put it through our road performance assessment, RPA process. Be sure to check that out. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you stay in the loop on this series. And until next time, we want to wish you safer and happier driving. Thank you.